Pero if he tries to hide, well,
Napapaisip ako kung intrusive thoughts mo yun. O,
kung tama talaga,
oo.
maganda yung 8 mo. If not, mas madali na lang yung tago, di yun na lang yung ginawa niya.
Oh, Drasir Mauricio went
Kinulong.
for an intentional foul.
For sure, nagulat din siya sa move ni Drasir. Pwede rin yan, oo.
And his answer is going to be, whoa!
Watch out for the 9. Okay, not bad. Magandang observation yun, Jay, kasi pwede rin yun. To
Nawala
throw
yung
him off.
timpla mo,
Oh,
yun.
check this out. Come on.
Got it! Oh! What a shot coming from Roman Santos. And that reaction coming from Drasir Mauricio, pero nakuha pa rin.
He has done everything. It's the pool gods na lang talaga eh.
At palakas na ng palakas yung volume ng I Love It, AJ.